Hi there. The Rubik's Cube is one of the best-known toys and puzzles in the world since the 70s. Whole generations have grown up with the thing, and some people can get a muddled Rubik's Cube back in a few seconds. And now comes the GoCube, basically an ordinary Rubik's Cube, but with technology that makes it possible to link it to smart devices and more. GoCube, the name of the smart version of the Rubik's Cube, has been developed by the company Particular, a company focused on the creation of smart toys. The GoCube is described as light and quick to use, having smart sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, position and orientation tracking system, integrated battery and indication lights. With the GoCube you can do various things. For the beginners, you have the opportunity to learn the various tricks of the trade, by following steps on your smart device. Since the GoCube is directly linked to the device, the app sees how your cube is put together and which actions you have to take to solve the puzzle, handy if you are completely stuck and do not feel like taking the stickers off the boxes and sticking them elsewhere. If you are more practiced solving this puzzle, you have the opportunity to compete against friends or strangers worldwide. You can see real-time how your GoCube works and where the opponent is. Through leaderboards, you can then show the world how good you are. If you do not feel like embarrassing yourself against others, then you also have the option to record it against the computer. The device has to be delivered to the backers in March next year. Thanks for watching us. Bye.